Hi, it's me again. I'm here to share with you about the how powerful the play memory function is and how easy it is to use again. Some of you have asked, is it available on other phones? I think they're probably something similar for Android models, but I'm not an Android user, so I don't really know. But this feature is not limited to the newer iPhone models like iPhone 13, 13 Pro. As long as you have iOS 14, you will have this feature. So I have this on my iPhone XR and my older iPhone 7 as well. I just double checked just now to confirm that my iPhone 7 also has this play memory feature. So I'm just going to show you how easy it is to use this feature. So just going to my photo app. I'm in my Iceland folder. I just created an album. As you can see, I call it Golden Circle Iceland. I have yet to create a video on the places in the Golden Circle. I've done some of the individual places, so I'm just going to go into my earlier videos and take some shots from there to put inside this video. Okay, Golden Circle, we started with the National Park. So I'm just going to select some videos here, random shots. Okay, so I'm going to add these to the album. Okay, the next place would be Geyser, which is here. So select, so I'm just going to select a couple of shots. Add this to the album again. Golden Circle, and finally the last stop would be at Goforth. Goforth will be here. Yeah, so I'm going to select a few videos here. I'm not selecting all, I'm just going to select a handful. So I'm just going to add this to the album again. Okay, as you can see, totally random. I don't even, that's one exciting thing about this play memory function. You don't really know what's stuff in the final product. Of course, you could do a little bit more planning. So I'm just going to go to the album now. So the Golden Circle. So now I'm back. I created this album using clips of the places I visited during our Golden Circle tour in Iceland. And if you notice, they're all videos. I'm not using static photos. So how to create the this function is, you see this 3 dots here, right? Okay. I like to switch to landscape mode because my videos are taken in landscape. So the play memory function, I want to play it in this format so that it will be created in this format as well. Otherwise, it will be created in portrait format. So I'm going to come here. You can see there's this play memory video. And voila, it's already putting everything together without me doing any editing work at all. So you can see how easy the music is already selected for me. If I want, I can actually choose and change my soundtrack. For example, like that. And I can just simply share. I can share this with my friends on WhatsApp. I can, but I normally just do it onto Facebook. So it'll probably take a bit of time to compile, but it doesn't really take very long. I didn't bother to go and check, how the whole video looks. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't, and just like to surprise myself at what the app will actually do for me. I think it really helps when you are shooting the footage itself to sort of know what story you want to tell. I think I'll go more into that in another session, but this is to show you how easy it is to use this feature. So I'm just going to put Golden Circle. Excellent. And tap. So this can be done almost immediately after, visiting the place itself. So most of the time after I visited, the site, I will quickly post up the video, and you're wondering how did I do it so quickly? It is really as easy as this. Shared to Facebook, it's already done. So this is how I've created these videos using the play memory function. It is really, really easy to use.